How's it cooking? Good looking. My name is Amalie and this is the holy trinity of French toast. So a French toast is one of Jon's and mine's favorite breakfasts to have. And over the years we have been cooking them a lot, which also means that we have been trying to pair them differently. Today I'm gonna show you the 3 best types of French toast. We are gonna start with our classical French toast. It's sweet, it has the cinnamon egg whisk, and it has the buttery, salty, crispy, fried toasted bread. And then we are gonna make our savory edition. That's this one. This one has a combination of a French toast and a grilled ham and cheese sandwich. This is the last but not least, we are gonna try out Jon's and mine's favorite. This has grilled banana and it also has a nice glaze of honey on top. It's super sweet, but it's so delicious. We are gonna begin with making the egg whisk. And that is basically just 1 egg, some cinnamon, and some sugar. We use a sugar substitute, but what you wanna use is just a nice tablespoon of sugar. A fork is fine for you to whisk with if you wanna do that. Just make sure that everything is nicely combined before you start flipping in the toast. So now our egg whisk is perfect. We are gonna take that and the bread to the stove. Ooh, and the butter too. This is the step that we are gonna do for all our French toast. Sugar, cinnamon, and egg. Mix it, and then we're gonna fry it. A little above medium heat. Fastly let it soak in some of the egg. Flip it over, do the same. Apply the butter to my... Make sure that all excess egg falls off. We don't want it to be too soggy. That is also why I like to use the thicker bread. So the butter is starting to bubble up now. You can see it looks very nice. And I'm gonna place this on to the pan. And immediately I'm gonna do the same with my second piece of bread. And this is where I'm realizing that my eggs are a little too small, so I'm gonna make a little bit more egg whisk for the next 2 toasts that I'm making. Only use half of the butter because once you flip them over, you are gonna add more butter. Oh, yum. It might look like it's burnt, it's not, it's just the color of the cinnamon. And as I said, more butter. I'm gonna leave them alone. I'm really bad at leaving anything I fry alone. I just love touching it. You are gonna serve this one with a scoop of crème fraîche, some raspberries, some blueberries. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna add some honey. Didn't say you should add honey, I know that, but you can. I'm gonna repeat myself. This time I use 2 eggs just to make sure that I have enough. A little bit of sugar. And this one is for my neighbor because she doesn't like when people, they whisk with a fork. But I do it when I make egg whisk like this. And this time we bring everything to the stove. Again, we are gonna heat up our pan to a little above medium high. Take half of the butter, let it melt, let it sizzle. And once you hear this, can you hear it? You're ready to do this. One on one side, on the other side, fast. Yeah, and go. Immediately when I flip it, I will put on 2 pieces of delicious Emmentaler cheese. And then I am gonna add in the butter. And it's just gonna stand here and work its magic. Lara! Lara, she wants attention. Or what? Maybe you're just playing with your bone? We got Lara this huge bone. Completely off, different story. But she really likes playing with it, but she gets mad at it because it's so heavy, so she barks at it.
Go get it! Go get it, Lara!
So the cheese has started melting down to the toast now, so I am gonna add some ham. And our baby is ready. Flip it over. Look at this. Ham and cheese grilled French toast sandwich. It smells so good, but we have to make the last one before we try all these. For the third French toast, which is the banana French toast, I do not add any sugar in the egg whisk because it's so sweet because of the banana already. So we whisk again. This is not as ripe as I would like it to be, but this is what I had. I'm gonna cut off this end with the brown on. I'm gonna divide it into two and split it in the middle. And by now you know the drill, right guys? We're gonna butter up these ladies. And now this is a little different than the other ones because I'm gonna remove these, just set them aside here. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of all the butter on the pan and remove it. This is so delicious. I don't know if you ever tried a fried banana split or have fried your bananas to put on top of your oatmeal. No matter what you do, anything with a fried banana on top, it's delicious. A banana has a lot of sugar in it, and that makes it very easy to caramelize. And it also makes it delicious because you get this really crispy surface of your banana once you cook it, almost like a caramel. So I love cooking my bananas. That's what she said. Did you film that? Sorry. If you could smell what I can smell right now, so since a banana is round, I just press them very softly down to the surface. They're ready. I can feel it. They're getting soft. Oh my God. This looks so good. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is my favorite, all-time favorite things to eat in the morning. I could eat this every morning. If I wanted to be really overweight, that would what I would have every morning. I'm getting so excited now that I can't talk. I'm gonna put the honey over. And I don't know, there's just something about honey falling down on a hot banana. That's so stupid. Apply a little bit of chopped peanuts, a little bit of raisins. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna eat now. I'm dying over here. Yeah, I feel like the presentation of this one doesn't do it any justice. So just gonna slice it over here and you serve it like this. We made it, guys. The traditional, the savory, and our favorite banana French toast. This is the holy trinity of French toast. We are gonna start with the classical one. I am dying to try this. Jon unfortunately can't have one bite because it's definitely not keto friendly, this one. Oh my God. The combination is just mind-blowing. And you know, this has been sitting on the table for quite some time. It's because we have been filming, right? But it's still crispy on the side, spongy in the middle, and you know, it's just, it is heavenly. The savory edition is what I would like to call the hangover edition. If we have been out drinking all night and we wake up the next morning and I feel okay to make food, this puppy is what I'll make. Normally, when you cook it and you cut it immediately after, the cheese is actually falling out of the sandwich. We had actually let it sit on purpose so we could get these cute layers of cheese and ham. And to the star of the show, our favorite, my favorite, it's so good. I love this so much. Guys, this was But guys, if this video made you hungry, leave it a like. If it made you drool, subscribe to my channel and try these and let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you for watching. Ciao, bye bye, see ya.